All right, day 5. It's Sunday, and again, I'm the only one here today. Did some painting. Actually, just painted the trim, so this is what you guys will see once the house is finished. We got that little tan color with the, actually it's a light beige, light white, with a kind of like a green trim. I kind of like those colors, and I want to show you the front, how it's progressing along. Yeah, it's getting there. The side still needs more siding. But again, I'll give you a quick overview of what I did today. Kind of tore out some fencing, which was, kind of uglying up the property. So I decided to tear that fencing out so it'll look a lot nicer. So I'll give you guys a quick look at that. There you go. See? Took that down, made it all open. That's kind of like when I bought the property. It's exactly what it looked like. It was all open. So I had to put the fencing up so I could separate the front house from the back house in case they had animals. So, a lot better opened up. And what you're seeing on the back side, that siding hasn't been painted, but the trim has. Okay, so trim's gonna be that color. And again, the main color is gonna be like the little, that's a laundry room right there. That's where the hot water heater's at. That's 256 square feet. And we're going to tear out the sheetrock, make some nice sheetrock, tape it, texture it, and that could be a little game room. Could be an office, man cave, woman cave. It also could be an ADU unit. Someone can live in there if you do, some more improvements to it. I don't know if it would have a toilet, shower. It's possible. Leave it to the person that buys it to be creative. And just to give you a quick overview again, tomorrow we start. Bam. Okay. We start putting up the fence. All right. That's it. Later.